Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the role of blockchain in supply chain management. Today we are going to talk about how blockchain is transforming supply chain management. We have all heard about blockchain in the context of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, but it's actually much bigger than that. As its core, blockchain is a digital ledger, like a notebook where every transaction is written and shared amongst many people. Once something is written, it cannot be changed, and everything sees the same version. This is what makes it trustworthy. Now imagine this technology used in supply chain where products move from raw materials to factory to distributor to shop. Blockchain can help us track every step and make the entire process more secure, transparent, and efficient. Supply chains are the backbone of global trade. From the clothes we wear to the food we eat, every product goes through a complex journey, often passing through dozens of countries and companies. But within that complexity comes risk. A small issue in one part of the world that can delay shipments, create shortages, or even allow fake or unsafe products to reach consumers. Now, here's where blockchain makes a big difference. Instead of depending on paperwork, phone calls, or trust, blockchain gives us a digital, tamper proof record of every transaction, every shipment, and every transaction been done. It helps us answer important questions very quickly. So, in terms of blockchain, turns the supply chain is a trust chain, making the entire system more reliable, fast, and smart. Let's discuss the problems with traditional supply chains. The traditional supply chain has a lot of issues like lack of transparency. So we don't basically know where a product came from. Paperwork and manual updates, fraud, and some rubbish products. Power visibility during transit there and many more problems related to time, money, and trust. That's where blockchain comes in. Here are the key concepts that we should remember and that solves these problems in the real world. Blockchain ledger. Every time a product changes hands, transaction is recorded on a digital block. These blocks form a chain that everyone in the network can see. This means no one can lie or hide information. Smart contracts. These are pieces of code that automatically execute where certain conditions are met. For example, a payment is released only when goods are delivered. This removes the need for a middleman or manual checking. IoT integration. Devices like sensors can be added to trucks or storage units. They send real-time data like temperature or location directly to the blockchain. If a shipment of vaccines get too hot, everything is alerted instantly. Tokenization. We can represent physical items like a shipment of rice as digital tokens. These tokens can be tracked, sold, or used as proof of ownership. It makes trading goods faster and more secure. Let's talk about the learnings and results. From studying how blockchain is used in supply chains, here's what we can learn. It builds trust even among people who don't know each other. It helps track every step of product's journey. It automated it, it automates processes, saves time and reduces error. It brings transparency and security which are crucial for global trade. One of the most important things is that blockchain can't fix everything, but when used with a lot of tools like IoT and smart contracts, it becomes very powerful. So let's talk about the real life examples. The first one is Walmart and IBM Food Trust. Walmart used blockchain to track the source of contaminated lettuce. Normally, it would take days to trace the origin, but with blockchain, they did it in 2.2 seconds. That's really quick. This shows how fast and accurate the system can be. If we take a look at the second example, it's TradeLens. TradeLens is a global shipping company partnered with IBM to create a blockchain based platform called TradeLens. It allowed different shipping partners to trade cargo and paperwork in real life. This reduced shipping delays and saved costs. Let's take a look at the pros and the cons of the blockchain in the supply chain management. Advantages: high transparency. Everyone sees the same data. It also provides automation. Same contracts reduce paperwork. Also provides security. It's almost impossible to change or hack the data, which is a really good thing. Real time updates, especially with the IoT devices. Lot of IoT devices are used. Disadvantages are high setup cost. It requires a high amount of setup, and it is not very cheap, not easy to implement. It takes time to train people and upgrade systems. Still evolving. Laws and standards around blockchain are not peaceful or not fully in place. To conclude with, blockchain is reshaping supply chain management by making it more transparent, secure, and efficient. While there are still challenges in terms of conditions and implementations, the benefits are clear. As more companies adopt blockchain, we can expect supply chains to become smarter, faster, and trustworthy. It's not just a tech trend, it's the future of global business. Thank you all for listening to this. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Have a nice day.